Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 9th, 1919. The divine will must be center and nourishment of the soul. As I am in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus draws me always into his will. What an endless abyss, so he told me.
My daughter, take a look at how my humanity swam in the divine volition, which you should imitate.
At that moment I seemed to see a sun before my mind. However, not so small as the one which shines over our horizon, but so big as to surpass the entire surface of the earth. Even more, one could not see where its boundaries reached, and the rays it spread, forming an enchanting harmony around it, went up and down and penetrated everywhere. In the center of this sun, I could see the humanity of our Lord, which nourished itself from this sun. And this sun formed the whole of its life. It received everything from the sun, and it gave everything back to it, and like beneficial rain, it spread over the whole human family. What an enchanting sight. Then my sweet Jesus added,
Have you seen how I want you? The sun that you see is my will, in which my humanity resided as within its own center. It received everything from my will. No other food entered into me. Not even the nourishment of one thought, of one word or breath, entered into me, which was nourished by food extraneous to my will. It was right that I should give everything back to it. So do I want you, in the center of my will, from which you will take the nourishment of everything. Guard yourself well from taking any other food. You would descend from your nobility and would degrade yourself, like those queens who lower themselves to taking vile and dirty foods, unworthy of them. And as you take, you must immediately give everything back to me. So you will do nothing other than take and give to me. In this way, you two will form an enchanting harmony between you and me.
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.